Good morning, everyone. This is Urobo Bible Reading Platform. Today I'm reading Matthew chapter 5, verse 46 to 48 in Urobo language. Obe ri Matthew, uyobi ronyi iyori, abo ronyi ujuve, besan, rite, ujuve, gberere. Verse 46. Woda gwono igbeyanwe ovu. Kididi erere ritewe. Oture imi arogona rejiru otionyere. Verse 47. Woda sano imuniwe ovu nyeri. Kidiewo rewo yovi no ikwu efawo. Oture ike ferina jirwe otionyere. Verse 48. Otioina owangba fun kirobo re ose re owan rohe obo giwu forona. Thank you.